My new dual cam I was going to show off, and my mount for the phone. I can also put my Garmin Zumo here. But the thing about the camera here, I've got the nose one pointed down pretty low so you can see what's coming in front there, and that's really helpful because otherwise you're just blind, right? And so with that camera you can see, really I got to point it down pretty low in front of me. Here's an example. So I can switch also. That's the rear. That's the front only. Okay, so now I can use the full screen for the front. You can see there's a little edge I'm going over here. This one's no big deal, but from here, if you look out the front, you can't see squat. But looking at that camera, I can see exactly what's coming, which is great. That's something you otherwise really struggle with. A lot of modern cars, of course, have cameras all around. My Cayenne has probably 6 of them, I guess. Just cameras pointing everywhere, but this 2019 Ranger doesn't have that. Here's another example. I can see everything coming up, even though I can't see anything over this hood, right? Yeah, it's just a basic road. But yeah, it gives you a good view of what your front end is about to hit. Like you see that rock there. I can kind of watch myself go right around it, avoid the second rock. Not that those needed to be avoided, but if they were much bigger, you could see where something like that